Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Avantra video. In May of 2023, Avantra launched 4 new packaging options of our product. They replaced the former Standard, Professional, and Enterprise editions of Avantra. In this video, we walk through the new Avantra editions and explain for who they are intended. Avantra used to have 3 editions: Standard, Professional, and Enterprise. Based on feedback from our customers, we found that they did not quite match the use cases for which they wanted to use Avantra. Some customers wanted to do monitoring, which usually also includes SAP Hot News security notes and integrating their ITSM solution. Other customers want to focus on automation and already have a monitoring solution in place. Another group of customers is moving to RISE and is looking for a product that can manage both their RISE and on-prem systems. Avantra therefore adapted its portfolio to suit these customer groups. Behold, our new editions. The Enterprise Edition has not changed and includes everything Avantra has to offer and is geared towards customers that want to do monitoring, automation, and integration at the same time. The Observability Edition is for customers that are looking to get more insights into their environment, track available SAP Hot News notes, proactively spot trends, integrate with third-party products using our SOAP API, CLI, or Ansible collection, and generate reports out of the gathered monitoring data. The Automation Edition specifically excludes Avantra's monitoring capabilities and focuses on Avantra's automation features such as system refresh, kernel update, profile maintenance, and/or spam saint patching. It is intended for customers who already have a monitoring solution in place and want to add automation on top of that. Avantra's Automation Edition also includes our SOAP API, CLI, and Ansible collection, allowing you to integrate Avantra into your environment. The RISE Edition is intended for customers that are looking at moving their SAP environment into RISE. It includes all the RISE compatible features from the Observability Edition, as well as some other features from the Automation Edition. You can call it an Enterprise Lite version, if you will, that allows you as a customer to manage both your RISE environment as well as any other systems that are on premise. Detailed information on the new editions can be found on our website. Customers that own Avantra Standard, Pro, or Enterprise can keep using that edition for the duration of their subscription. After that, there's an option to renew the existing contract or to reach out to your Avantra rep to see how you can upgrade to one of our new editions. Thank you for watching this video, and by all means, feel free to reach out to us should there be any questions that we can answer.